Hoses are a hassle. They tangle, leak, need to be repaired and replaced. It's time for a major breakthrough. With Atomic 20-volt max grinders, you have the freedom to work anywhere. Built-in control. Built-in consistency. Built to change the way you work. With more power than pneumatic grinders in a compact size. Grind in tight spots with confidence. Through tough materials. With innovation like never before. There are no limits to your job's demands. So stop being limited by cords and hoses. Dewalt Atomic 20-volt max grinders.